Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, we're going to talk about green cleaning and encapsulation. Stick around to find out more. So let's talk about Bio-Encap. Bio-Encap is a green detergent we formulated a long time ago to address the green aspect. So if a person was focusing on green cleaning, Encap Punch would be a great product to go with. Now, frankly, straight across the board, the Release It product line is very safe. We don't have any tox chemicals that are going to mess up the environment. Very safe products to work with, and it's environmentally friendly in the sense that we're not using a lot of water. For example, like hot water extraction, we're not consuming fresh water and discharging large volumes of heavily soiled, contaminated water with chemicals and whatever contaminants came out of the carpet. Rather, we're simply encapsulating the soil, dries down brittle, and comes out as a dry component in the vacuum cleaner bag. And we're not running fossil fuel as we're running a truck mount, for example, and putting out carbon emissions that come with that. What we did here with Bio-Encap is we used EPA's DFE certified raw ingredients to put this product together. So we're using components in this product that are certified safe. If your focus is green cleaning, if that's a marketing angle or your concern for your business, Bio-Encap will deliver the cleaning results that you need. Just like all of our other Release It products, it cleans extremely well. But like I mentioned, it's built with components that are certified safe for the environment. So if you haven't tried Bio-Encap, I encourage you to give it a try. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. And as always, we're here to help you max your Encap. And this product is just part of what we do here at Excellent Supply to help you succeed in your commercial carpet cleaning business. So give us a thumbs up if you would. Share your comments. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.